Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore lost backlinks using Linkody, full guide step by step clearly. To restore lost backlinks using Linkody, start by signing into your Linkody account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can view your backlinks. Look for the lost backlinks section, which will display links that have been removed over time. Click on this section to get a detailed list of lost backlinks. Identify the specific backlinks that you want to restore. For each lost backlink, examine the source site to determine the reason for the loss. Visit the URL to see if the page still exists and check for any changes. If the page is still active, consider reaching out to the webmaster. Draft a polite email explaining the value of your content. Request the webmaster to reinstate the backlink as it benefits both parties. If the page no longer exists, look for similar content that could link back to your site. Create updated or new content that aligns with the existing web page topics. Once done, contact the site owner with your new content, suggesting it as an alternative link. Monitor your outreach efforts and keep track of responses in Linkody. Use Linkody's metrics to analyze any changes in your backlink profile over time. Continually check for any new lost backlinks to maintain your site's link health. Remember, persistence is key in recovering lost backlinks effectively. Stay proactive in nurturing relationships with webmasters for better backlink opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.